Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, you all have this paper on your desk because those were the instructions, and you're going over it with me. I'm going to go over these 6 problems. We do have a quiz tomorrow. The quiz tomorrow is only 10 questions, but so you will do well, I'm sure. All right, we'll start with, let's start in the middle here. Blank feet, 24 yards. So we got to figure out 24 yards, 2 feet equals how many feet? Which means we need to start by changing our yards to feet, which means we multiply. So we're going to multiply 24 times something, and then add 2, and that's going to equal the total number of feet. So what are we going to multiply 24 times, AJ?
3.
Why 3, AJ? Because there's 3 feet in a yard. So 24 yards would be 24 times 3, which is how much?
72.
72. So that's 72 plus 2 equals 74. So 24 yards, 2 feet is the same as 74 feet. Now we're changing miles to feet, which means we multiply. We're going to multiply our 7, because 7 miles, times Eli A. How many feet are in 1 mile? Good. Times 5,280. So you're going to multiply 7 times 5,280. And Jackson, what'd you get? It should be on your paper, right? That you have on your desk right now, that you're using to go over with me. Oh, I should have said that out loud. I'm sorry. Anna, 7 times 5,280. How much? Yeah, tell me the answer. 36,860. Everybody's good with that? No.
It's
900. Okay, I misheard you. You were yelling so loud I couldn't just. So 7 miles equals 36,960 feet. And like I said, you will turn this in tomorrow graded, because you're going to be able to grade it by watching the videos. We'll jump over here and we'll do pints and quarts. Our capacity, we are doing less than, greater than, or equal to. Now we have 19 pints, we have 9 quarts. So we have 2 choices. Width, we can either change the 19 pints to how many quarts, or we can change 9 quarts to how many pints. So which one would you like to change?
I'm going to change 9 quarts to pints.
Why did you choose 9 quarts to pints?
Because 9 quarts are larger than pints.
So it's easier to multiply. So she's going from quarts to pints because she would rather multiply, which makes sense to me. So we're going to multiply 9. All right. 9 times how many pints are in each quart, Whit? 2 pints. So 9 quarts equals 18 pints. So is this less than, greater than, or equal to, Whit?
19 pints is greater than 9 quarts.
Good. 19 pints is greater than 9 quarts. 19 pints is greater than 9 quarts. When you're doing something like this, you always have the choice, do I want to divide or do I want to multiply? My personal preference is multiplying, because I feel more comfortable multiplying than dividing. But hey, you do you, boo. You do you. I'm just saying. All right, so we have gallons to quarts. Gallons to quarts. Maddie, you. Would you rather change the gallons to quarts or the quarts to gallons?
Gallons.
Okay? So we're going to take this 20, and since we're going from gallons, which are bigger, to quarts, which are smaller, we're going to multiply. And we're going to multiply by what? How many quarts are in each gallon? Think of our G we had. 4 times 4. And so 20 gallons times 4 quarts per gallon equals what? Maddie, you? 80. So this would be equal 80 quarts. And so less than, greater than, or equal to?
That's greater.
Good. 20 gallons is greater than 75 quarts. 20 gallons is greater than 75 quarts. You know what I did one time, Eli? I had this kid who all he would do in class is draw. And so I took the paper from him and I chewed it up and then threw it away because then he couldn't get it out of the trash and keep using it. Man, that made him angry. I hope I don't make people angry. All right, now we're doing weight. So we have ounces to pounds. We're changing from ounces, which are smaller, to pounds, which are bigger, which means we're going to have to divide. We're going to have to divide our 128, and we're going to have to divide that by the number of ounces in a pound, which is what, Violet? How many ounces in 1 pound? 16. Thank you, Violets. So we have 128 divided by 16. Can one of the Violets tell me what that is? 8. So 128 ounces equals 8 pounds. Now we're going from pounds to ounces. Pounds to ounces. Because pounds are greater than ounces means we multiply. So we're going to multiply 26 times, hey Violet, how many ounces in a pound? 16. 26 times 16. And AJ, what does that equal?
416.
416. If you take these conversions and take them a step at a time and show the work and not try to do it all in your head, because that'll make your teacher crazy. And a crazy math teacher is not good for you. 4 out of 5 dentists say a crazy math teacher is not good for you. Boom. Chocolate, peace out, God bless, love you. Do some kind of please. Have a great day.